How to make a homemade smoking chamber for cocktails. So what we have here is some sort of like thing I got on Amazon. It's a 5.5-inch globe and a little stand here. So you can see in this stand that there's a groove that goes all the way around. So basically what I did was I took some of this 100% silicone, just ran a bead around the entire thing. I did that a couple days ago, so now it's dry. If I did it if it was wet right now, it would make a huge mess and that wouldn't help you out at all. Okay, here we go. So I have a 3/8 drill bit right here. The only thing I'm going to do is take and I'm going to drill through the base of this. So this isn't only do this one time. Drill, 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 goes all the way through. So after we drilled this out with a 1/2-inch drill bit, which I think is the most reasonable because it allows you to take the angle and stick it in, and it will be much easier to twist on using the 1/2-inch bit. So you can see how easy that is to go on now. But it's still going to be airtight. Take it, snug it up just a little bit. There you have it. Then the only other thing you need to do is to take this. This is a 3/4 inch barb that will fit on this 3/4 inch fitting. So you can see from the bottom here, just take and slide right on. So now you have a pedestal for your smoker. Then the globe goes right on top. Now I'm going to give you a different angle and show you smoke as it comes through. This is all you have to do, the last steps. Pour yourself a cocktail, a little bit, put on the base, take the globe, stick it on top. This is your Breville smoker. This thing is beautiful. Turn this thing on super low, real quick. Add some fire. You can see instantly we're getting smoke. Just like that. That's all she wrote. So you can see we're really getting some decent smoke. It holds right in, and now here's the final product. Smoked cocktail.